Hello friends, welcome back to HD Gold YouTube channel. Hope you all are fine. Today in this video we will learn 55 biggest, highest, largest, longest in world. So let's begin the video. Tallest animal, giraffe. Fastest bird, swift. Smallest bird, hummingbird. Longest railway bridge, Hui P. Long Bridge, Laotian, USA. Building tallest in world, Burj Tower, Dubai. Longest canal, Suez Canal. Highest capital, La Paz, Bolivia. Biggest city in area, Mount Isa, Australia. Largest population city, Tokyo, followed by Shanghai, Beijing, London. Highest coastline city, Tokyo. Highest city, Wenchuan, China. Largest continent, Asia. Smallest continent, Australia. Biggest country in area, Russia. Largest populous country, China. Largest creature, blue whale. Largest delta, Sundarban, Bangladesh, India. Largest desert in world, Sahara, Africa. Largest desert in Asia, Gobi. Largest dam, 3 George Dam, China. Highest dam, Hoover Dam, USA. Largest epic, Mahabharata. Largest island, Greenland. Largest island group of Indonesia. Sea largest, Mediterranean Sea. Lake deepest, Baikal, Siberia. Lake highest, Titicaca, Bolivia. Lake largest, freshwater, Superior. Lake largest, saltwater, Caspian. Library largest, United States Library of Congress, Washington, D.C. Highest mountain peak, Mount Everest, Nepal. Longest mountain range, Andes, South America. Largest museum, British Museum, London. Biggest palace, Vatican, Italy. Largest ocean, Pacific. Coldest place, Verkhovensky, Siberia. Driest place, Death Valley, California. Hottest place, Azizia, Libya, Africa. Rainiest place, Mansaram, Meghalaya, India. Highest plateau, Pamir, Tibet. Longest platform, Kharagpur, India. Longest railway, Trans-Siberian Railway. Largest railway station, Grand Central Terminal, Chicago, USA. Longest river, Nile, Africa. Largest river, Amazon, South America. Largest seabird, albatross. Brightest star, Sirius. Tallest statue, Statue of Unity. Longest railway tunnel, Tana, Japan. Longest road tunnel, Mount Blanc tunnel between France and Italy. Highest volcano, Ojos de Salado, Andes and Ecuador. Most active volcano, Mauna Loa, Hawaii, USA. Longest wall, Great Wall of China. Highest waterfall, Angel Fall, Venezuela. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, then please share, comment, like, and do not forget to subscribe.